Adding a staff member. To add a staff member to your booth, visit My Store in your dashboard and click on Staff. On the top right-hand corner of the page, press Add New button. Complete the form with the required details. Please note that the email address should not be previously used on this platform. Mark the box next to Custom Capability to define the access level. Now click on Submit to finalize adding the staff member. Please note that when the new staff member is logging in for the first time, he will need to click the Forget Password button on the login page and reset the password.